What is going on, YouTube? Breakout Boys right here. So today I received these Softail axle covers. They're really nice. They're original Harley. So let me see. I'm gonna try to zoom in real quick. Okay. So these are for the Fatboy. Some of you guys may know I have a Fatboy already. If you don't, I'm gonna show you around real quick. Give you a look at the bike. So this is my Fatboy. It's a 2001 carbureted Fatboy, and I'll be putting those axle covers real soon, but I have to get those cleaned up and polished real quick. This is my other bike right here. You guys know, Breakout. This is a 2018 with the FMB choppers, handlebars right here. I have a 475 cam, the blow exhaust, and the full S&S chest oil pumping plate in there. CVO, I believe those are 2013 CVO bags. And I did add the 260 tire in the rear. So, looking real good. It's all blacked out. This one, I kind of want to keep more original, so I'll probably be keeping it very close to stock. I did add a Lepero seat, which I believe is a silhouette gel seat. Really comfortable for what it is. Pretty thin, but comfortable. All right, so back to the drawing board. I have these axle covers right here. They're two-piece, so I removed the two screws that it has right here, one on each side, and I'm gonna put the bigger pieces aside. I'll be doing these first, which are pretty dull right now. They don't look that good. Kind of hard to see on camera, but yeah, I'll be shining these up a little bit more. Sorry, right here. So what I like to use, I have this white diamond that my boy let me borrow. The white diamond works really good. This white diamond mixed with steel wool. I like to use steel wool to clean up, and then that's pretty much it. So you grab one of these and then add a little bit of the liquid. You gotta shake it. I like to pretty much just shake it and apply it in different areas of the chrome. So once it's applied everywhere, I just like to get it everywhere, you know. Now, go with the steel wool, just clean it up. And you can see how dirty they are. Like, leave a darker smudge. Do the other one, same thing. So yeah, I got these on eBay. Pretty decent price. I think I paid 60 plus shipping on these. Of course they're used, but I mean, if I can clean them up and make them look pretty good, I'll be happy with that. Kind of hard to come across original parts for older bikes now. Yeah, this one was really dirty as well. Very dirty. Okay, so once you have them ready, you grab a microfiber and then just clean it up real good. At first it'll look kind of foggy, but the more you do it, the more you go over them, you'll start to see that shine. So you got to polish it up. That's what it is. Wow, big difference. I'll show you guys right now. Oh, this looks great. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the difference between how they came in. As you can see on this one, this is how they came in, and this how shiny they look right now. This is amazing. This product is really great. You guys may want to look at it again. It's the white diamond metal polish. So I'll be doing this to all 4 pieces, and once I get all the 4 pieces done, I'll check back in. Bam! So this is the final result right here. After getting it all done, using the steel wool with some of the white diamond polish, this is what it looks like. All right, so the next installation, I'll be keeping you guys posted with that.